Right, boys and girls, the two sentences for today that we needed to correct. You should have written them correctly onto your whiteboard. And as I said yesterday, you shouldn't have copied them down like this because these have got lots of mistakes. So let's mark them again on your whiteboard and let's see how many of those tick, tick, ticks you can get. So the first sentence says, do not run. So you can think about maybe in your house and you run and your mum says to you, do not run. Or maybe on the corridors at school, you say, do not run. So let's have a look. Do is the start of the sentence. So it should have a capital D. Not run. Now we need to decide, is it a sentence? I don't think so. So it shouldn't have a full stop. Because if somebody is telling you, do not run, and you are already running, you are not going to hear them if the person just says, do not run. You would have run away by then. So if you are running and you shouldn't be running, the person would shout it to you. So they would say, do not run. So it's an exclamation mark. Right, and you get a tick there and a tick there. Now this one starts with I. And we know that even though it's the start of a sentence, I can never stand alone like that. It must always be a capital. So I am not sad. Right, so the first thing is capital to start. I am not sad. Now we need to decide. I'm not asking you if you're sad, so it's not a question. But maybe if you've had a fight with somebody, or maybe you are sad and you are shouting this, and you say, I am not sad, then it could have an exclamation mark. But I'd like to think that we are just saying, I am not sad. So I would put just a normal sentence and end it with a full stop. I am not sad. You're just saying that. You're not shouting it and you're not asking a question. So there again, tick for the start and tick there. If you did put an exclamation mark because you thought the person had their arms folded and said, I am not sad, then if you put an exclamation mark, you can also give it a tick. Right.